Hello and welcome everyone. I'm doing this quick review of the Amazon PCZOI RGB Panoramic Mid-Tower PC Case. It comes with 7 pre-installed fans. It's a mid-tower computer case with full-view dual-tempered glass. It's an amazing and sturdy case. It displays all of your PC components really well. The build quality is great, very sturdy, not flimsy at all. Priced around £60. You cannot go wrong. It fits many motherboards. I have an old Aorus B450M motherboard, and it fits well. It's got a lot of space inside. The pre-installed fans are amazing. When you connect them to a fan hub, they respond really well. I have them connected to my fan hub, and the remote control allows me to choose from various modes. One negative that I would say is the side glass panel is very tricky to get back on. I wish it had hinges. The other downside is the lack of space for your cables at the back. It's very tight. Overall though, a great case. Links in my bio.